Welcome to Tropical Boots Line Dancing. My name is Trent Duncan, and today we're going to be doing the tutorial for high horse. This is one of the dances we're going to be doing down at CountryFest 2025. It is a 16 count 4-wall dance, and we're going to have some fun with it. So, facing your front wall, we're going to have our weight on our left. We're going to be moving with our right on our first part, and then on our left with our second part. What that's going to look like is you're going to do forward as you go. You're going to go right and right. So as you do it, you kind of push yourself forward with that right and you lasso with your right arm. Then you do the same on your left. You're going to go left and left. So that first little section there, as you want to do it, you want to kind of rock those hips as you do it. So you're going to go right and left and left. So your weight should end up firmly on your left at the end of that. From here, you're going to be traveling back. You're going to be stepping back on that right to begin with. So you're going to go back right, left, right, left. And as you do it, you kind of want to walk back with a little bit of attitude. So you're going to walk back and you're going to turn, you're going to turn, you're going to turn, and you're going to turn. Okay, so it's just 4 steps traveling back, but as you do it, you want to walk back with that little bit of attitude. Let's put those two little parts together. Weight is on your left, traveling forward with that right. You're going to go right and left and left. Travel back, left, right, left, right. From here, the last little part of the dance, you're going to do some points. So you're going to point your right out to the side, the left out to the side, the right out to the side again. You're going to hitch that right leg up and then touch it back out. Turn yourself a quarter turn to your 9 o'clock wall. And then you're going to do a little body roll. And that finishes the dance. So what that last little section is going to look like is you're going to point your right out to the side, bring it together, point the left out to the side, bring it together and point the right out to the side. You're then going to hitch that right leg across, touch that right toe back out to the side, touch that right forward, push yourself a quarter turn, and then you're going to do a little body roll for 2 counts. And then you start the dance again, right and right. So that last little section again, with a count for beats to music. So you've come back right, left, your weight is on your left, you're going to be pointing that right to the side. 1, you're going to bring it together for and, point it out for 2, bring it together for and, point it out for 3, hitch that cross for and, touch it out for 4, touch forward for 5, pivot for 6, and then 7, 8 is body roll. And then you're going to start the dance again facing that new wall. So let's put this all together. Facing our front, weight on our left. We're going to do that movement forward on the right and left and then travel back. 7 and we go right and right, left and left. Travel back. Right, left, point. Right and right, hitch, touch, step, quarter pivot, body, roll. You're ready to start your new wall again. Let's face this new wall and let's walk through this wall and we'll continue around until we get back to the front wall. So facing 9 o'clock, weight is on our left, traveling on that right foot, 7 and we go right and right, left and left. Walk back, right, left, point, right and right, hitch, touch, step, quarter pivot, body, roll, and right forward and left forward, travel back, right, left, point, right and right, hitch, touch, step, quarter pivot, body, roll, and right forward and left forward, travel back, 2, 3, 4, point, right and right, hitch, touch, step, quarter pivot, body, roll. You're now facing back to your front wall. We've walked through all 4 walls. This little line dance has one little trick up its sleeve, which is a restart when you come back to that front wall on the first time. So what that means is you'll dance your first wall, you'll dance your second wall, dance your third and fourth. When you come back to the 5th wall, we're going to do part of the dance and then we're going to restart back to the beginning and then we're just going to dance the rest of the song out. So facing your front wall, the restart will happen after your walks back. What that looks like, traveling forward on that right, you're going to go right and left and left, walking back, right, left, and then you restart the dance from the very beginning again, right forward and left forward. So that'll only happen the once and it'll happen the first time you come back to your front wall. Hopefully you've enjoyed this tutorial, and from here you can go over to our practice videos and you can practice this dance to the music at home, and then when we see you at CountryFest, I'll be up there having a look for the people who are having the most fun and giving it the most attitude, and I'll have some prizes to give away. So I will see you at CountryFest this year in June 2025.